Well guys, I'm not really sure what's going on today. I know we got a Tennessee Smokies game tonight, baseball team in Sevierville. I think the actual place is Kodiak, Tennessee, I'm not sure. But they are a AA club of the Chicago Cubs. And I really don't like Chicago, so I guess I'll have to cheer for the other team. Anyway, not really. We're going to eat right now at, I don't remember what it's called. Man, I have a bad memory, don't I? I can't think of anything. Cracker Barrel, which is just right up the road a little ways. And then I have no clue what we're going to do. So you'll find out as soon as I do. I will see you guys after a while, and oops, sorry, see you in a little bit. Hey everyone, well, we decided to come down here to Elkmont. It's an old abandoned some kind of town or something that the only way I knew about it is because Adam, well, there's a couple of geocaches here, and Adam the Woo, I think it was him that came here one time. So here we go. But here's the abandoned cabins that are left. This is pretty cool. See, this is the stuff I love. Oh, you can go inside that one, I guess. I don't have a restriction thing. And guess what? I'm gonna go. Some of them have things on them to say no trespassing, but some of them don't, like this one. So I guess you can go in this, since it doesn't have a sign. Just think, people used to live here. This is our house. It's actually pretty big in here. What's your step? Wow, this is so cool. The toilet. Wow, the toilet's actually still there. Surprised it hadn't been. This must have been the kitchen. And I don't know. Wow, they're all coming in. I'm surprised they're all coming in. Mom and Dad. Yeah, this is so cool. I love this. But see, a lot of them have this thing right here. It says U.S. property, no trespassing. So I'm not gonna go in that. That's even locked. It's got a lock on the door. So I bet that floor is caving in or something. It must be. Man, some of these still look pretty well livable in. Like that one, looks like that one's been redone. No, it has been redone recently. Because that's new wood. Look at, I love these steps. Oh, you can go in that one too. Look at the steps in this. Yeah, that's redone. I'm not gonna go in there because it's really nothing in there. There's actually electric in there though. That's weird. There's of course that may have been done later too. Oh wow, is this a... Oh, this is the cache. So don't pay attention to this if you're ever going to come find this cache. Look at this little bitty house. I guess this is a house. How many stone steps lead from the road to the front yard? Holy moly. You gotta count all them? Surely this isn't somebody's house. But I guess it was. Even I'm too big for the door, look. Surely this wasn't a house. Well, it's got a fireplace and all that. So I guess it was. Man, this is so cool. I could live in something like this. There's all kinds of little gnats flying around. Oh, okay, there's a little room back there. Wonder if this is his... I don't know what that would be. It's so awesome. I'm gonna go up here and look at this. This one says no trespassing on the thing. I'm not gonna go all the way in. That's what it looks like inside. I'm sure it's dangerous in there. Big old fireplace. Okay, I'm in the woods on this semi-paved gravel trail going to find these elk cabins that got bulldozed, I guess. There's a virtual cache there, so I'm gonna go find it. I'm actually by myself. I bet that's an old cabin. It had to be an old cabin. Look what I found. What the heck is that? Well, I'm going back to the car. I left everybody else in the car. So, you can hear the creek on the other side. Right over there. I know you can't see it at all, but... Oh yeah, maybe you can. Can you see it? This is some beautiful country. Awkward Bob, no wonder you want to come down here so much. I wish I could come. I wish I could live here, actually. You could probably be here forever. Not ever. Probably not forever, but for a while. And still not see everything. There's so many trails in this place. And I do have to come back now. But here's the thing I passed a while ago. I'm gonna go look at it. See this? I wonder if this was actually somebody's house, cabin, or it had to have been. Look at the, yeah, this definitely was somebody's, well, I don't know. Look at the rocks and stuff at the bottom. Unless they had it built over that, which they could have. Big old chimney. And there's another set of stairs over there. Yeah, this had to have been somebody's cabin. A lot of mosquitoes around here. Little walkway. Okay, well I'm gonna go back to the car and get them and go. No, I don't know what we're gonna do next. There's another place here called Laurel Falls. It's supposed to be a giant waterfall. So if there's parking there, the lady at the visitor center said there probably wouldn't be no parking. So if there's not, then I guess we won't go, but I'm gonna try to park there and go to the waterfall. So if we go, I'll show you. If we don't, then I'll show you whatever we're doing next. Look at these butterflies. They're all just sitting here right in front of my car. Aren't they beautiful? There's one yellow one that was landed here and I got scared it off. I wished it would land again. There's a yellow one just like the one I had. Or so. That one right there. Focus. I wish it'd open up. Man, they're beautiful. Here's the yellow ones. Oh, they're gonna do it.
Pretty.
All different colors. Well, we're on our way up to Laurel Falls. It's 1.3 miles from the... You can tell I'm breathing hard. 1.3 miles from the parking lot, or the parking. Not really a lot, but it's uphill all the way. So if you come here, bring water, which we didn't bring. But I actually didn't think. Well, I didn't think we was coming here. So, or I would have brought water. And it's too far to go back and get water. So we'll just tough it out. And it's not too hot. I bet it's still in the 70s, so. This is it. Other part down here. Okay guys, I'm on my way back down. Me and my dad made it. I definitely recommend this place. Beautiful. Well worth the hard walk up, but it's worth it at the end. I'll see you whenever we do whatever we do next. I'm not sure what it is. What a view. What a view. So beautiful. Still clouds up there though, even though down here it's sunny.
Benefits Incorporated. A Silver Smoking Beach membership will give you everything you need to enjoy smoking.